how to change all your videos tags at once on your YouTube channel on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to YouTube, this is the home page. Now click here in the top, go to YouTube Studio. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple. Click on content. Here you will find all your videos. All what you have to do is select them from here. You will be selected all your videos and click here on edit and click on tags, and as you can see now here you will be able to replace all the description from here. Add the all your tags. Now add your tags from here. For example, video, music, and click update videos. Click I understand, click I update. Now let's check all the videos, for example this one and this one. Now we will find that the description is changed, as you can see, on all the videos. Easy and fast. I'm sorry. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.